Show you my King Pig for the iPad. And here he goes. Here's King Pig. You put him on the iPad and then you see the stuff that puts on. Then it puts on the material thing, bird frenzy, and other stuff. And so I'm going to show you how to use it. Show you my King Pig for the iPad. So you need to go to the Angry Birds app. If you don't have it, just download it. So we're gonna do it from Poached Eggs to Flock Favorites. So let's do it. Just skip this. Put your King Pig on the iPad. You can do all kinds of stuff. So, let's go to number 2. This was total destruction. Let's go. I'm gonna watch my red bird from here first. And I'm gonna do this. It's the same thing, but birds turn into pigs. And try to destroy those eggs. That happy man face. Looks weird. King Pig in here. See, it exploded. It's total destruction. So let's go to Flock Favorites. And let's do this. And then you can launch your pigs, or you can do it with your King Pig. Sorry, I missed. You can do all. You can do. And do like this material mix up. Material for fun. Let's take that back out. Let's do it again. Bird frenzy. You can do. It shows you the other birds you can destroy with. Let's destroy this whole thing. Okay, now I'm almost done with the piggies. King Pig's cry. And it's a King Pig right there. Total destruction. I passed the level. Let's do the third level. Try to destroy this is really hard. Whoa, I didn't see that beach ball. And then there's a piggy here. Let's try to destroy that. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.